Let's go. No more. It's the last day of walking Angelo and Jet together. Jet's new owner's coming to get him today in about an hour. So we're giving him a good walk so he doesn't have as much energy. I think they'll miss each other because I let them run around the yard by themselves without any leash. And they're really good about staying in the yard. I'm sure they're going to miss it because they like to do it almost every morning. But I just can't have all four of them. It's too hard for me at my age. So Jet's going to get a new home. Hope you enjoyed our last video of Jet. You can see he's getting a pretty tail like his mama. Come here, Jet. Come here, Jet. Show everybody your pretty face. Yeah, show everybody your pretty face, Jet. Good boy.